And that is why, as we talk about this, we didn't know at the time when we put in our mask or vaccine requirement to protect people as this Omicron surge was spiking and it was spiraling out of control in the month of December. We could not have foreseen what January and February would look like. We still don't know much beyond where we are right now, but again, the trend is much more positive, and that is why I want to talk about the fact that we'll have a temporary extension of our business mask or vaccine policy, and that has been a critical tool in driving those numbers down. They could be even more out of control, but we're going to continue doing this not by months, not by 3 months. We're going to do it every 2 weeks now, so we can be ready to suspend, give businesses the notice they've been waiting for. But again, I want to thank all the businesses and the people who followed these policies. You are the reason our state is going to come out of this far sooner than other states. The numbers are still going up in other states, and we've been smart here. I thank the people, I thank the counties for their partnership. So we'll be extending that just through February 10th. Again, probably a couple days before that, we'll be evaluating, but if we continue on this rapid trend downward, we'll be in a good place. If it levels off or something else happens, I need that flexibility, and I'm going to continue to reserve that, but also people are waiting to hear when some of these restrictions can be lifted, and so we're going to continue with our flexibility. As we know, the school masking policy remains in effect, despite the fact that there was a little blip, but we are back on track legally, and I want to thank our Attorney General, Letitia James, and her incredible team for understanding the urgency of us appealing a decision that came forth based on factors that we don't agree with. We happen to think that the Commissioner of Health and the Department of Health have a responsibility to protect public health. That is why they do what they do, and we're going to continue to defend that in court. So the appellate decision in the second department sided with us and let common sense prevail. So now we are back into ensuring that these are in place again for now. And the only reason we have this is because this is how we can keep our schools open. When our schools are open and kids are safe there, moms and dads can get back to work. We can start that path to being normal, and there'll come a time we can talk about lifting this as well. We're just not there yet. We're going to continue keeping people safe and fighting to protect all New Yorkers. So just want to give those notices of what the lay of the land here is in the state of New York. And also,